Okay, looking at homework and remembering Unit 3, Lesson 13. I'm only going to do this one problem today. A lot of this is reviewing the operations, a lot of things you should already know. So I'm going to give you number 1. But the rest of it I'd like you to persevere and work hard to find understanding and complete. Because our test is coming soon. We only have one more lesson, 3-14, and then we start our review and study guide. So parents do know I am going to try to put up a review video of all the main concepts so the students know how to work through those type of problems. So hopefully that will be of some help. But looking at number 1, it says Dan's ice cream comes in cartons of 2 sizes. The large carton holds 4.5 pounds. The small carton holds 1 3/4 pounds less. That's a key word, less. How much ice cream does the small carton hold? So if we have 4 1/2 in one carton and the other carton holds 1 3/4 less, well, to figure out what that carton is, we need to subtract 1 3/4 from 4 1/2. So looking at this type of problem, we're going to see that right now when we add or subtract, we know we need common denominators, equal sized pieces. We have halves and fourths, not equal. So we need to get these halves to have 4 on the bottom. So if we need 2 times 2, that makes 4. And that gives us that common denominator. If I do that to the bottom, I do that to the top. So I have 4 2/4 minus 1 3/4. Uh-oh. Remember this mistake. We can't do this yet. 4 2/4, we have the numerator 2 minus 3. We can't take 3 away from 2. So what do we have to do? We need to take this and unbuild it. We need to take 1 from the 4 and make that 3. But we can't change its value, so now we just need to take that 1 we just took away and add it back as in fourths. So 4/4 plus 2/4. So we have 3 plus 4/4. This is 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 2/4. So it still equals 4 2/4. We are just going to write it differently. So we have 3 wholes, and 4 plus 2 we have 6/4. Now we can minus 1 3/4. 3 minus 1 is 2, and 6 minus 3 is 3, and that gives us 2 3/4 pounds. We're talking about pounds. Okay, remember to label. Unbuilding has come back. We've been working on this since the beginning of the year. I hope you remember how to do that. We unbuild the 4 2/4 to be 3 6/4, which is still equal to 4 2/4. All right, so we're going to work through this. You only have one more lesson, and then you are on to your review and study guide, and then a test. All right, we will have that test right before Christmas break that week. Make sure you start studying, get on Think Central, play the games, use the study guide, and you will be ready to get a 3 or maybe a 4 on your test. Have a great night.